Okay, niños and niñas, this is 8-7 math message on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, it says imagine a number line from 0 to 1 with 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6 labeled. Which fraction is closest to 0? Which is closest to 1? Discuss with your partner or an animal or a stuffed animal, anything near you, or write it down. So which one would be closest to 0? Write that fraction under 0, and which one would be closest to 1? Write that fraction under 1. Maybe I'll circle it. So here's the 0, here's the 1. Which fraction's closer to 0? Out of all of these, which one's closest to 0? And out of all of them, which one's closest to 1? Put me on pause if you need some extra time. But I know that if I were to write 0 as a fraction, it would be 0 over 6. And I know if I were to write 1 whole as a fraction, it would be 6 over 6 because we were broken into 6. So which one's closest to 0, 6? Well, this numerator is 1, and we can't get any closer than that. So the smaller it is, the closer it is to 0. And the larger the numerator goes up, the more we add to the numerator, the more fractions, the numerator becomes larger. 5/6 is super close to 6/6. So 5/6 is closest to 1. It's getting larger and farther away from 0 on the number line. So 0, 1/6 is closest to 0, and 5/6 is closest to 1. Meet me on Math Journal page 268.